Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So today we are going to take a look at how to open an account with WeBull. So opening a brokerage account with WeBull. So if you go to WeBull.com or click the link in the description below, that would take you to the website. So you can either click here to on get started, or if you click here at the bottom, if you scroll down a little bit where it says open an account and you click on that, that's going to bring you to a page like this, and this is where you can actually input your information. So you can just to sign up for WeBull. So this is not opening a brokerage account yet, but it's just signing up. So you have the option of using your email or your phone number. So it's up to you which one you feel comfortable with. So once you enter that information, and then they're going to send you a verification code based on the information that you enter, either through your phone or your email. You enter that, you get that verification code, and then you click sign up. So at that point, you just sign up for WeBull, but you don't have a brokerage account just yet. So the next step that you want to do is you want to go to the App Store and download the WeBull app. So download the WeBull mobile app on your phone, and then you would continue with the sign up process. So once you download the app, the next thing that I want you to do is collect some information. So as far as your personal information, your employment, and investment history, those are some of the things. So you need like your ID card, or you need a passport that clearly states your name, your date of birth, and stuff like that. So all those detailed information, you just fill out the form. It's very straightforward, no complications. And once you one key important thing that you need to really be careful about is choosing the account type that you want to open once you get into the app. So the account type, you have either a cash account or a margin account. So I have a separate video explaining the differences between a margin account and a cash account, but I'm just going to go through that here real quick. So a cash account is one that gives you unlimited trades based on whatever amount you have in the account. While a margin account gives you unlimited trade if you have over $25,000 in your account, as well as if you have less than $25,000, and then you have PDT applies, so you only get 3-day trades in a 5 business day cycle. So that's just a little about cash and margin account, but you enter your basic information and submit your form. And then WeBull usually takes a few hours, if not up to a day, to get back to you with confirmation that you actually your account has been approved. At that point, you are set. You have a brokerage account with WeBull, and you are ready to fund your account and start trading. Again, if you want to, I put a link in the description below where you can actually sign up for WeBull. And right now, WeBull is doing a promotion where you get 2 free stacks for signing up. One just for signing up. Then the second free stack is when you deposit $100 into your account, so you get those directly into your account to start with. Again, they're free, so take advantage of that link in the description. That's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.